little bit later, I think. Once I have the names, we'll do that. But anyway, we're gonna keep going with our tricks only speed run. So let's get going. So let's play e4 again. And yes, I will be playing Arena Kings, you guys. My opponent plays a gambit, but I'm not gonna accept it. I'll just do this. We're doing tricks only. Tricks only. Okay, I'm gonna gambit here. I don't know if this is good, but I'm gonna gambit. I think I can play like knight c4, knight d3. I think I'm gonna go here so that I can push. If he takes, I just pin the knight. But now I can fork the bishop from the knight here. Thanks for your donation on the stream. No problem. No problem. Tricks only, yeah. So I'm playing for cheese, basically. Let's take the bishop. So yeah, okay, let's castle here. That pawn was crooked. Wait, what? The pawn was crooked? What do you mean the pawn was crooked? The pawns look great. What do you mean? The pawns look great. Let's take the juicer. I'm gonna fork the queen and the rook. Oh, actually, the rook was crooked. The bishop was crooked. The rook, yeah, it was crooked. Yeah. Okay. All right, you guys. Yeah, very funny. Okay, let's go here. All that fried chicken talk was ridiculous. Fried chicken. Isn't that Leroy Jenkins? That's the Leroy Jenkins, I think. Anyway. Well, once again, thank you so much to Levy and Anna for the great commentary they've done. The money that we've raised for care has just been phenomenal. I think we're somewhere around like 1.7 or 1.8 million, if I'm not mistaken. That's checkmate.